Chairman kami Khalia Pollution Control Board UR Naina Malay IFS ula pentip baki board penyak jo kami Khalia Pollution Control Board haringkat ki board penyak distrik Naribhoi hak sauterik rumpang arja pusan kidalej benjurep ya ki karkhana haberni bagi lakhang khyrdep sendon ya handrituli ki karkhana apa keren skilap thai kebor nak liang chairman ula kadau ka jingkhang khyrdep ya kini ki karkhana kadai na ka jingbam board renti ya ki kendon an balabu da kami Khalia Pollution Control Board baka jingbam la bantiak lakam ya ka jingmi kali air jabo nak kini ki karkhana
not meeting the pollution norms and not complying with the terms and conditions imposed by the Pollution Control Board, and based on that we have closed 6 industries which in Byrnihat area, and out of which two have been already imposed a nominal compensation also. The reason for receiving closure notice is non-operational pollution control device and non-transmission of online continuous emission monitoring system, and the exceedance of the pollution limit obtained from the online continuous emission monitoring system, and inefficiency of pollution control device installed. These are the reasons we have issued earlier and they have not complied, and based on that we have issued closure notices. Now it has been closed. Okay. 41 industries in the Byrnihat, so not in the Meghalaya, it is in Byrnihat area. So red categories are 5, orange categories are 22, green categories are 14, the total 41. Out of which red categories are potentially polluted industries, and orange categories are little less, and green categories are very less polluted.
Red categories how many?
Out of 5, 3 industries which are non-operational, 2 are in operation, but based on our inspection we found that they are having some they are not meeting the siting, they are not meeting the pollution norms, so we have issued the closure notice with a time, we have issued the show cause notice with a time to comply. So
how many days?
15 days time we have given, so that once they submit a report and if they don't comply with that, then we have to issue closure notice and further action. Actually, this is the data they collected from the continuous ambient air quality monitoring station established at KASPOS, the training academy, the Assam side. That is the data. Whereas we have 4 ambient air quality monitoring station located at different locations in Meghalaya. One is at APIP area, one is in 15th mile and 17th mile Kasi Killing area. So out of which 3 stations of the data source, it is satisfactory. 1 is moderate. So our only 3 is threes are within the permissible limit. 1 is beyond the permissible limit. Some actions to be taken. So this is our status of the pollution from Meghalaya side. But now the most polluted city of Byrnihat is which has flashed in the newspaper and all, based on the data which has been recorded from the continuous ambient air quality monitoring station established at Assam side at KASPOS.
How many industries are there in the Assam?
See from them is red categories are 20, orange categories are 15, green categories. Green categories are 4, total 13 industries, and the red categories, ours is 5 and theirs is 20, which are considered to be major polluting industries. For this one is for Siam Sensory, we have imposed 4 lakh, and Kasi Alai we have imposed 2 lakh. As per this has been imposed based on CPCB guidelines.
What about the others?
Others they have we have given time. They have complied to our closure notice, and based on we have not imposed it. And again that's it.
Any complaint from the local authorities?
No. Otherwise also we regularly monitor through our engineers, dedicated engineers who look after this Ripar district. He go for regular inspection. Based on his report, we have issued closure notices and directions or show cause notice, whatever it is.
So this inspection a surprise or was informed before?
This is surprise inspection.
So only the member from the board or you have from the district administration?
No, the surprise inspection we did also. Then again, by considering the seriousness of the matter, and we sought cooperation from the district administration. Now, this time the closure notice, to ensure the closure, we sought cooperation from the DC, and we have closed it.